Number 14 is that how the Western countries have a NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. That means there are about 31 countries which are members, America and most of the European countries. They have 31 countries which are members, and they say that if any country attacks any one of these 31 countries, it is as though you have attacked all 31 countries together. It's called as NATO, North Atlantic Treaty Organization. So the Muslims, we should have MUCTO, Muslim Countries Treaty Organization. You know, there are 57 countries in the world, more than 25%, in which Muslims are in majority. So all these 57 Muslim countries, they get together, and if they have this MUCTO, Muslim Countries Treaty Organization, and have the same rules as NATO, why should people object? When you can have the Western countries together and have a NATO, why can't we have MUCTO? And pass a resolution that if anyone attacks any one of these 57 countries, it is as though you have attacked all the 57 Muslim countries.